Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps or the Google app and making sure you're signed into the account that holds saved places. Tap the place pin or search result so the place card appears from the bottom. This shows summary info and media. Once the card is visible, look for a photo thumbnail or a horizontal photo strip. That's the image area you'll interact with. Make sure your screen is not in low power mode, since animations help reveal the photos. Tap the thumbnail to open the full screen photo viewer. This loads higher resolution images and the swipe interface. Once in the viewer, swipe left or right to browse related images. Pinch to zoom or double tap for a quick zoom so you can inspect details like signs or building numbers. If you want context, tap the info or three-dot menu to reveal photographer, upload date, and sometimes the exact photo location. This helps you verify authenticity and why that photo is tied to the place. To keep or share a photo, use the bookmark icon to save to your lists, or tap the share icon to send the image link via message or email. If you need the image file, long press where supported for copy or more options. Otherwise, use the Share to Photos workflow. If the photo fails to load or navigation is slow, make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular is active, update the Google app, and clear app cache. These steps fix most loading and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.